Booze, booze, booze. Alcoholic drink. Booze is a slang term for alcoholic beverages such as beer, wine, or liquor. Examples: he went to the bar to have a drink of booze. Teenagers shouldn't consume any kind of booze. Their party was full of people drinking booze. She decided to avoid booze at the party. The store sells a variety of booze. General usage. Booze is a casual and informal word often used to refer to alcoholic drinks. It's important to note that underage drinking is illegal and harmful. Tips for remembering. Visualize, picture a bar or a party scene with people enjoying alcoholic drinks. Connect. Think about times you've heard people use the word booze in movies or TV shows. Practice. Use the word in sentences to describe alcoholic beverages. Fun fact: the word booze has been around for centuries and its exact origin is unknown. Some believe it comes from the Dutch word buis, meaning a drinking vessel. So, there you have it. Now you know what booze means. Remember, it's important to drink responsibly and legally. Until next time, cheers!